visual comparison of different methods on the toy image from cave dataset. First row reconstructed false color images. R31 sorry yes, RGB R31 G11 B6. Here second row the average residual second row average residual images between ground truth and reconstructed images. Ground truth and reconstructed images. Measurement A measurement, B original, C cap TV, D DSI, NG meter, GNLR. Here in measurement original like this, cap TV, DSCI, in DSCI here nothing, full white, here blue, here little bit, here better than this, where in DSI, in NG meet better than this, here improvement is the clarity, here in face cut this color, and then here GNLR better than this almost. Visual comparison of different methods on the pin images. Image from Harvard dataset. First row reconstructed false color images. Red, green, blue. RGB. Here 30, green G 20, B 10. Second row. The average residual images between ground truth and reconstructed images. A measurement, B original, C cap TV, for D DSA, NG meet, GNLR. In measurement, full white. In original, blue. In cap TV, okay. In DSCI, better than cap TV. In NG meet, better than DSCI. In GNLR, better than NG meet. Here 0 to 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 coloring. Here visual comparison of different methods on the plant image from ICVL dataset. ICVL dataset. First row reconstructed false color images. Second row the average residual image between the ground truth and reconstructed images. Here false color images are red 30, green 7, blue 2. A measurement, in this A measurement here blue, B original, C cap TV better than original, and DSCI better than cap TV, and NG meet better than DSCI, and in GNLR better than NG set. Visual comparison of different methods with the diversion periods on toy image. The false color images are composed of bands 31, 11, 6. Here, band number in x-axis, reflectance in y-axis, in band number 0 to 30, reflectance 50 to 100. Here, original correlation 1 black, PM3D correlation 0.85 something. Okay. Here, in B, in C, in B, here NG meet this one. Here NG meet. Here NG meet 0.9014. Here original correlation is black 1. NG meet plus PM3D correlation 0.9356. Here original 1 as usual 3D is 3D TNN correlation 0.9672. Here GNLR correlation 0.934. This one. That is this. Yeah. Okay. 3 TNN. And the NG meet plus PM3D. NG meet plus PM3D. Yeah. Okay. Spectrum profiles of pixel 14343. 143 between original and reconstructed results by performing different periods on toy image. Original A is the original. Original P3TDTNL. Here plus infinity to 1. Here 27.342 0.9103. Then that is pixel. And then C NG meet 27.563, 0.9097. Okay. Actually, for infinity, up to infinity already. Here, up to 1. Up to now 1. Okay. All this same. And then NG meet. NG meet or 22.228 to 0.9273. And then PM3D in D. Sorry. This one. PM3D, this one. First, okay. See this one. Okay. PM3D here 28.228 under infinity. Here under 1.273. And then NG meet plus PM3D. Here 28.944, 0.9160. 3T NN NG meet F this one. And then 3T TNN plus PM3D here. GNLR this one 31.815, 0.9457. Correspondingly MPSNR value with respect to the band number and different exercise toy image Pavia center image. Band number G 10 to 80 MPSNR values G 29 to 34. Here this is for Pavia center image. This is toy image. Here 10 to 30 in band number in NPSNR value up to 36 from 32. Here approximately linear, back linear. Here not linear. Here 10 to 80, 29 to 34. MPSNR values with respect to theta I equal to 1 to 3 4. This is 1, theta 2, theta equal to 2, theta equal to 3, theta equal to 4. Here in the all are in x-axis band number, y-axis MPSNR only. Okay. Here sorry, in x-axis beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, beta 4. Okay. Here in x-axis p power minus 5 to 100, p power minus 5, p power minus 4, p power minus 3, then 0.01, then 0.1, then 1, then 10, then 100. Here 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 in y-axis MPSNR. Here cave toy, this cave toy. Okay. So yes, there in beta 1, in beta 2, here cave toy, Pavia center. So what is going on different? Here almost this is okay. Okay. Then this is only change. Here also both different. Like this going in beta 2, beta 1, like this opposite. And then in a Pavia center cave toy beta 3, here beta 4. In beta 3, Pavia center here cave toy here. This is reducing. Both are reducing. But Pavia center too much compared to cave toy. And then my 10 power minus 5 to 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 3, 0.01, 0.1, 1, 10, 100, beta 4. Minus 20, 0, 20, 40. Here, Pavia center, this one. Cave tie, this one. Regularization parameters, lambda I, colon lambda I equal to 1 to 3. Here, MPSNR values with respect to lambda I, 1 to 3, and mu. Here, beta, here lambda. In lambda, I here 1, here taking value 10 power minus 5 to 100, 10 power minus 4, 3, 0.01, 0.11, 10, 100. MPSNR 26, 38, 30, 32 values. So here cave type.